Welcome students. Today in this session we are going to study again conversion. In this part 2 of conversion we will be studying how to increase or decrease number of carbon atom and in any parent chain. So the first topic which we are going to study is increase in number of carbon atoms in any chain. Now suppose if we are going to increase any carbon atom, they can be done in two ways. First, when it is asked just to double the parent chain, just to double the chain, and sometimes if it is asked just the single increase in carbon atom in any chain. In both the conditions, the mechanism applied is different. Mechanism or the procedure applied is different. When we are going just to double the parent chain, at that moment we are going to use Wood's reaction. And when we are going to increase any single carbon atom in parent chain, then we will be using here Corey-House synthesis reaction. In this Wood's reaction, see this Wood's reaction as well as this Corey-House synthesis, they both are the methods of preparation of alkane from alkyl halide. What they are making any alkane from any alkyl halide. This is the function of both these reactions. In Wood's reaction, what happens? We are using any alkyl halide, and two molecules of alkyl halide when react in presence of sodium, metallic sodium, in presence of dry ether, then the product which we will be getting is RR, alkane we are getting. This is our Wood's reaction. And in Corey-House synthesis, what we are taking, the same thing is here. We are taking alkyl halide, but the catalyst here is lithium alkyl cuprate. I am explaining this in Corey-House synthesis here. The mechanism here is, first of all I must write the catalyst. The catalyst here is R2CuLi. It is called as lithium dialkyl cuprate 1. Okay, now what happens? This is also called as Gilman's reagent. Now how this process takes place? Now see here, this R2CuLi can be written like this. Plus any alkyl halide. We are taking this R as different R. That's why we are marking it with a as a difference. We are putting this comma here. Now see what will happen here. This Li, and see this is already in the form of X, and this will break up as Rx and R plus and X minus. Now what will happen? This X plus will go and attack on this. So this will become our Lix. Okay. Now next what is going to happen? Next then this R and this R dash, they both will combine, and what you will be getting is RCu, and this is our alkane. Now this synthesis is the best method of joining any two alkyl radicals. Now what is the product here? The product here is RR, this R, and another R is from alkyl halide, plus what we are getting is RCU, plus, and next what we are getting is LIX. So this is the way we are getting our alkane. Okay, so now let's go for how to double and how to make a single increase. Let's take some example here. Now the example is, we are taking here two carbons. This is our CH3, CH2, oh sorry, this is our any alkane. Just we are to double it. How to double it? Now see here what happens here. This will, because this is an stable compound, this is to be activated. इसको हमको अनस्टेबल कंपाउंड में कन्वर्ट करना है. हाउ टू कन्वर्ट? सो फॉर दिस वी आर गोइंग टू डू हियर इज हेलोजिनेशन. हेलोजिनेशन में वी आर टेकिंग एनी हेलोजन in presence of light. What is going to happen? This will be converted into haloalkanes. Okay, once we are having haloalkane, now here see, we need this haloalkane for Corehouse as well as for Woods reaction. Now we are in condition of this RX. एक बार हमको अल्काइल हलाइड मिल जाता है, तब हम इसके आगे डिसाइड करते हैं क्या करना है. यदि हमको डबल टू कार्बन एट पेरेंट चेन को 4 में कन्वर्ट करना है, जस्ट वी हैव टू डबल द कार्बन एटम. वी विल बी यूजिंग दिस वुड्स रिएक्शन. नाउ हेयर वी आर यूजिंग दिस वुड्स रिएक्शन. नाउ just the catalyst is changed. Here we are reacting this RX with sodium in presence of dry ether. What we have to take here 2 molecules of this alkyl halide as well as this sodium. So what we are getting this is, now see what is going to happen here. This Cl and Na will remove and this both will combine together and we will be getting it CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3 है ना. और इसके साथ हमको मिलेगा 2NaCl. Just the parent chain is doubled. Here we were having 2 and here we are having 4. This is the Woods reaction. I am putting the number here. This is our reaction number 1. So this is our Woods reaction. Now let's go for Corehouse. Now what is for Corehouse? Now in Corehouse up to here the process will remain same. Only we have to activate the stable alkane compound into alkyl halide. और if already you are having this, यदि आपके पास पहले से alkyl halide है तो आपको उसमें कुछ नहीं करना होगा. But if we are having any alkane, we are taking the same example. This is unstable. अब तक हमको ये समझ में आ गया है. We are going to do the same activation by this halogenation. What we will be getting here is CH3, CH2 and Cl. Now if we want to increase only one carbon atom, then we will be using this Corehouse. Corehouse के लिए हम catalyst क्या लेंगे बेटा? R2CuLi. So here we are putting it R2CuLi. When the catalyst is changed, the product ultimately will be changed. तो हमको यहाँ पर क्या मिलेगा? Now see what will happen here. Here this Li, this Cu will go with this Li जैसे यहाँ समझाया था. Then 1 R from here will go and attack on this carbon. I must change the color also. कैसे हमको अल्केन मिलेगा? दिस सिंग 1R फ्रॉम दिस R2 will go and attach on this CH2. Now what we are going to have it CH3 CH2 and 1R from here. जो भी आपने R लिया है यहाँ पे 1R will go from here and other will be your RCU and what you will be having LiCl, this red box plus LiCl. See here, हमने यहाँ पर एक ही कार्बन एटम इंट्रोड्यूस किया है क्योंकि हमको एक कार्बन एटम इंट्रोड्यूस करना है. सो हेयर वी विल बी टेकिंग एज CH3. ठीक है. नाउ this is how to increase any carbon chain. Now how to decrease any carbon chain. Okay, now decrease in carbon chain. Here again we are taking here 2C. The same we have to activate it. We will be activating it by halogenation and we will be getting here alkyl halide. This is stable compound. We have to convert it into any unstable compounds. For this we will be doing halogenation. इस halogenation को करने के बाद now see, as I have told you in my earlier video, that is part 1, that whenever we have to do any substitution, हमको यहाँ पर इस Cl को हटाकर कुछ और compound ऐड करना है. Then for substitution we will be doing here aqueous KOH. Aqueous KOH, what will happen? This KCl will remove and we will be getting it here CH3 CH2 and OH. ओके, अब यहाँ तक हम पढ़ चुके हैं. अब अल्कोहल के बाद हमको डिक्रीज करना है, मतलब किसी भी तरीके से हमको इस कार्बन को हटाना है. तो व्हाट इज़ अवर अल्टीमेट एम? हमारा अल्टीमेट एम है हम इस अल्कोहल को किसी भी तरह से कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड में कन्वर्ट कर दें, विच ऑलरेडी वी हैव लर्नड. नाउ how to convert this alcohol into carboxylic acid? For this we will be doing here strong oxidation. And also I have told you, for a strong oxidation we will be taking K2Cr2O7 और पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट in acidic medium. जैसे ही हम इस अल्कोहल में strong oxidizing agent लेंगे, this will be converted into CH3. This C will be converted into COOH. And we know that this acetic acid is a stable compound. अब ये रिएक्शन में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करेगा. So for this we have to convert this acetic acid into an unstable compound. So what we will be doing it here, we will be reacting this acetic acid by NaOH. तो हमको प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा. Once this NaOH is added, we will be having this as sodium acetate. So now this is here CH3COO. Sodium acetate is a unstable compound. Now see, अब हमको क्या करना है? Our aim is to remove this C complete. हमको इस पूरे को remove करना है. Now how to remove? This COO and Na can be removed by converting it into Na2CO3. अब हम इसके लिए क्या करेंगे? Na2CO3 के फॉर्म में हमको थोड़ा सा बेटा अपना ब्रेन यूज़ करना है. हम इसको रिमूव कर सकते हैं Na2CO3 के फॉर्म में. हाउ टू डू? हम क्या करेंगे? इसको Na2CO3 में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए what we are going to do, we will react this unstable compound of sodium acetate with soda lime. अब ये soda lime क्या है? Soda lime is a mixture of NaOH and calcium oxide. This is our soda lime. NaOH and CaO. This is our soda lime. जैसे आप इसमें सोडा लाइम डालेंगे, this Na COO, this will go and in the form of Na2CO3. आपके पास क्या बचेगा? CH and 3. 1 H from here you will be getting this will be converted into CH4. Now see here, these two carbons are, this two parent chain compound is converted into one, which is a simple method. I hope you have understood it well. Thank you for watching it. In another video we will be having with some important conversion, that is conversion of single bond to double bond, then to triple bond, or simply we can say conversion of single bond to multiple bond, and then again from multiple bond to single bond. Thank you.